Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Telegram chat. If you don't want to lose your information, for example, if you'd like to save your chat details, then you can easily do so with the Telegram application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up your Telegram application on your PC. Once you do that, click on Start Messaging and log into your Telegram account like you normally do. Once you're logged in, make sure that you are using the latest version of Telegram on your PC since you won't be able to create your backup if you have an older version. From this page, go to the hamburger menu at the upper left corner. Click it on and this should bring up an expanded option at the left hand side. Click on Settings. You'll be able to see a pop-up appearing on the display. Under Settings, click on the Advanced option. Now, right under Data and Storage, you'll be able to see an Export Telegram Data option. Click that on. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see a window appearing on your screen. You can customize the Telegram backup file. Right in the pop-up, if you'd like to back up your account information, your contact list, then make sure the boxes are checked. Under Chat Export Settings, go ahead and select if you'd like to back up personal chats, bot chats, or private group chats. Tick the box according to your choice and click on Export. Wait until the file is getting exported. After it is done, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Click on Show My Data and your file export has been ready. Click it Open in order to view your data. Soon after you do that, this is what it looks like. Your chats, contact list, frequent contacts has been exported on Telegram. That is how you'll be able to back up your Telegram data. If you don't want to lose your information, if you want to save your private chats and important details in it, then you can simply follow this step. That is how you'll be able to export your Telegram data on your desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back again with more tutorial episodes like this. Thank you for watching.